Hi guys, hope you all good. Hi, this is Manoj. We are running a trailer training institute in Namakkal. I think you have already you have seen more videos about these trailers. But today we are going to give some not more information, just overall thing what we are doing for the training. So what are all training we are going to give for the people who is going to go for the Europe. Okay, so we are just first training is first day we are giving about the training for the straight rivers. So we are covering around six type of reverse parkings. So it's easy for to handle in Europe. So even I have a experience as a 2 years in Europe. So we have giving a more practical knowledge also. So like if you see this guy now is doing a straight reverse. So we are covering the track from there to this side. So it's a straight reverse, and we are giving the reverse parking for X reverse parking also, and right side L reverse parking, and left side reverse parking, and we have give a training, and another two training is like forward zigzag and back zigzag. So it's very useful when you are in Europe, like a truck while driving traffic. So it's very useful for you when you are crossing the roundabout. So it's very useful for you when you are using the training for the zigzag training. So it's a zigzag training is more useful when you are crossing the roundabout. So when you are crossing the roundabout, you should cross very carefully. So and not only the we are giving the truck, we are giving the truck training, and we are giving the practical knowledge also. So the practical knowledge is like about the Tago reading and how the Tago will work for the tagging in Europe. And another is about the weekly rest times and the 9 hour rest. And for single driver we have a 9 hour rest and 11 hour rest. So we have a giving the practical knowledge also in that. And in regarding the trailer, we are telling about how to unplug and plug the while we go out only we need jeep. That time what we want to do, what and all we want to follow the instructions. So we will give a practical knowledge in that also. And about the leg. So in Europe we say for the trailer it is a leg. So in Tamil Nadu, in India we say it's a jockey. So we will tell how to use the leg and how to move it forward and how to take out the trailer like that. So that type of instructions we are giving over here. So people who are coming from all over the India, around I think we have people around 300 people in this 2 years we have sent around 300 people we have trained in our institute. So we have sent around at least 100 people. Our friends are there in the Europe now as a driver. So we are the best training institute in our Tamil Nadu, and even so even people are coming from Kerala, even people are coming from North India. So we are giving a best training in Namakkal. So if you come as in our institute, so you become as a friend also. So we are treating us in a friendly manner. So it's easy for you to get a more experience from us, and you can make it a good knowledge. So people, you can contact us in the number which we are giving in the below. So please subscribe us and use us. Thank you.